What would happen if Earth orbited a black hole instead of the Sun? While this is a hypothetical scenario, it raises several questions about the effects on Earth's orbit, light availability, and axial tilt. 1. Orbiting a black hole. If Earth were to orbit a black hole, the gravitational force would be the primary factor keeping the planet in orbit. However, the nature of the orbit would depend on the mass of the black hole. If the black hole had the same mass as the Sun, approximately 1 solar mass, Earth's orbit might not change dramatically in terms of its path, taking 365 days for a complete orbit because gravity depends on mass, not the object's composition. Stable orbit. As long as Earth stays far enough from the event horizon, the point where nothing can escape a black hole, its orbit could remain stable. However, any deviation or gravitational disturbances could lead to Earth spiraling into the black hole, which would destroy the planet. 2. Life and light around a black hole. The most significant issue with Earth orbiting a black hole is the lack of sunlight. Our current environment is sustained by the energy from the Sun, which drives photosynthesis, regulates temperatures, and maintains the planet's climate. A black hole does not emit light, so Earth would be plunged into darkness, freezing over in a very short time. Accretion disk. Some black holes have an accretion disk, a rotating ring of superheated gas and debris that emits intense light and radiation due to the friction and gravitational energy as matter falls into the black hole. If Earth were orbiting such a black hole with an accretion disk, there might be some light, but it would be far more dangerous than the Sun's rays. The radiation levels would likely be lethal, making life as we know it impossible. No habitable light source. Without the stable, life-sustaining light of the Sun, Earth's temperatures would drop dramatically. The planet's surface would freeze, and photosynthesis, the foundation of the food chain, would stop, leading to the collapse of ecosystems. 3. Earth's axial tilt and seasons. Earth's axial tilt, approximately 23.5 degrees, causes the seasonal changes we experience throughout the year. The tilt is influenced by the gravitational pull of the Sun, the Moon, and other bodies in the solar system. If Earth were orbiting a black hole, the gravitational forces exerted by the black hole could potentially be far more intense. Increased gravitational forces. The immense gravitational forces near a black hole could affect Earth's axial tilt, potentially causing it to fluctuate or even destabilize. This could lead to extreme variations in seasons or even eliminate them altogether, depending on how Earth's tilt interacts with the black hole's gravity. Tidal forces. The intense gravitational tidal forces near a black hole would be much stronger than those of the Sun. These forces could cause significant distortions on Earth, leading to geological activity like earthquakes or even stretching the planet itself, a process called spaghettification when near a black hole. 4. Black hole versus Sun's gravitational influence. While the Sun's gravitational pull maintains a balanced and stable orbit for Earth, a black hole's gravitational field, especially near its event horizon, is much stronger and more extreme. Earth's motion would likely be altered over time, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences, including the eventual destruction of the planet if it drifted too close.